guys, it's me Bryce. Welcome for another vlog.
We're gonna talk about social media issues. Social media represent a complex array of issues impacting individuals and society. I agree that platforms need stronger accountability for content moderation and use will be coupled with increased media literacy with stricter privacy regulation. It's a powerful tool, but it harms to required proactive solution. I believe that combating this requires combination of efforts include media literacy education, improved facts checking initiatives, and strong platforms accountability for content they host. Social media companies collect vast amount of use data, raising significant privacy concerns.